Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by cutting off cellular radios. Enable airplane mode right away to meet regulations and prevent roaming charges. Once done, manually switch Wi-Fi back on and Bluetooth if needed for peripherals. This lets you access in-flight networks while keeping cellular off. Make sure the cellular signal indicators are absent so you're not sending mobile data. This combination reduces interference concerns and satisfies most airlines, while preparing your device to discover the aircraft's Wi-Fi portal and any connected accessories you plan to use. Next, find the aircraft SSID and join it. Your device will usually present a captive portal automatically. Once connected, open the portal or the airline's Wi-Fi app to pick a plan. Many planes offer free messaging, hourly passes, or full internet sessions. Enter payment details only on secure prompts and verify the domain matches the airline. If using an airline app, log in before takeoff when possible. This saves time and avoids repeated portal steps during flight. Keep an eye on session timers and reconnection prompts. Finally, optimize your session. Preload web pages and download any media or maps you need, and switch apps to offline mode where possible to save bandwidth. If the connection drops, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then reopen the captive portal or the airline app to re-authenticate. Restarting the app often clears stuck logins. If a payment doesn't go through, try a different card or the airline's alternative payment methods, and if you remain stuck, politely ask flight staff whether there's known network maintenance or approved alternatives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.